What is happening, world? September 2nd, I'm not sure. I want to explain why Dorian has not made that turn north. And a lot of people don't know that. And a lot of people yesterday and the day before yesterday were returning junk. Stuff that they bought. I understand why. Because people are living on a budget here. But at the same time, did you buy that thing for a reason? You buy all that stuff for a reason, right? Because the storm, the damn bee, look at me, messed my thing bang, man. Shit. Alright, I'm back. I was getting attacked by bees. I don't kill bees. Dang. That's strange, man. My grandfather died. At his burial, I got stung by a bee. In their back. In their back. Like, crap. Man. Alright, I'm getting up out of here. Yo, 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 whoa, whoa, no, no, no. Alright, I'm good. I think the bees are following me. Alright, sorry about that. I can't outrun this truck. Not a trucker. Anyway, I got stung by a bee at my grandfather's burial. And then 6 months later, I got stung by a bee at my great-grandfather's burial. On the same index finger, the left index finger. Anyway, I want to explain why this storm has not turned north. Because there is a weather system north of Florida and the Carolinas, Georgia, blah, 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 that is suppressing the storm from turning north. Okay? Storms being in the northern hemisphere naturally go north. Storms in the southern hemisphere naturally go south. Yep. So just like somebody has to be doing something. You can't be doing nothing. It's like you can't be thinking of nothing. What are you thinking about? Are you thinking of nothing? Yeah, you are. It's impossible. You gotta be thinking about something. Daydreaming ass. The storm has to be moving, going somewhere. It's doing something. It has to do something, so it's going west, yeah? Up until that storm system, that pressure north of us dissipates, that is when the storm is going to make that turn north. I told everybody, hey, don't return, John. My mom's like, I'm gonna donate this freaking charcoal to somebody. And I said, no, don't do that. Don't give away nothing, Nathan. I don't know if y'all remember the storm. I don't know how long ago, a couple years ago, 3 years ago, I don't know. It was supposed to hit the East Coast. Ended up telling everybody to go to the West Coast, and then the jank went under the Keys and hit the West Coast. The mainstream news, they're educated. If I understand this, I'm not a meteorologist. They know. It's proof that it's a shit show and it's all for ratings. It is all for ratings. Until that storm system dissipates in the Carolinas is when the storm is going to make that turn north. It's suppressing the storm. It's pressing the storm. It's not allowing it to make that turn north. It's like somebody's holding you back. If someone's holding you back, you ain't going nowhere. You're just gonna be struggling to go this way or that, you know what I mean? You're gonna go north. You ain't gonna get away because they're holding you. It's what the storm system in the north is doing. But I just want to let everybody know. The rain bands, the squalls already hitting. I gotta go to work. I just can't find my keys. So up until I find my keys is when I'm gonna go to work. It's Calico 45. I love you guys. I am.